I'm at Fakir Mohan University, FM University. Balasore is a 2-year, 4-semester postgraduate program following the choice-based credit system, CBCS. Course scheme and credit distribution. Theory papers carry 100 marks each, 40 internal assessment plus 60 term end examination. Practical papers, grand viva, and dissertation carry 100 marks each. Semester, course code, paper name, credit. Marks ENT plus EXT, semester I. CH411. Organic chemistry I. 4. 40 plus 60. CH412. Inorganic chemistry I. 4. 40 plus 60. CH413. Physical chemistry I. 4. 40 plus 60. CH414. Spectroscopy I. 4. 40 plus 60. CH415. Biophysical and solid state chemistry open elective 4. 40 plus 60. CH416. Organic chemistry practical 8100. Semester 2. CH421. Organic chemistry 2. 4. 40 plus 60. CH422. Inorganic chemistry 2. 4. 40 plus 60. CH423. Physical chemistry 2. 4. 40 plus 60. CH424. Spectroscopy 2. 4. 40 plus 60. CH425. Seminar in Viva Voce, value added course 2 to 4 100. CH426. Inorganic chemistry practical 8 100. Semester 3. CH531. Organic synthesis advanced organic 4. 40 plus 60. CH532. Bioinorganic and supramolecular chemistry 4. 40 plus 60. CH533. Elective I, Analytical and Environmental Chem, Physical Chem 3, 4. 40 plus 60. CH534. Elective 2, Open Elective, CBCS 4. 40 plus 60. CH535. Physical Chemistry Practical 8 100. Semester IV. CH541. Organic Synthesis, Advanced Theory Paper 4. 40 plus 60. CH542. Biophysical and Solid State Chemistry 4. 40 plus 60. CH543. Grand Viva Voce, full syllabus 4 100. CH544. Analytical Chemistry Practical 4 100. CH545. Research Dissertation, Defense and Presentation 8 100. Detailed semester-wise syllabus. Semester I. CH411. Organic Chemistry I. Unit I. Basic Principles of Organic Chemistry. Inductive effect, resonance, mesomeric effect, hyperconjugation. Aromaticity in benzenoid and non-benzenoid compounds, Huckel's rule, anilines, fullerenes, C_60, anti-aromaticity, homoaromaticity, PMO approach. Crown ether complexes, cryptans, inclusion compounds, catenanes, and rotaxanes. Unit 2, Stereochemistry. Conformational analysis of cycloalkanes and decalins, effect of conformation on reactivity. Elements of symmetry, chirality, projection formulas, Fischer, Sohorst, Newman, flying wedge. RS and EZ nomenclature, trio, erythroisomers, optical purity, enantiotropic and diastereotropic atoms, groups, phases. Unit 3, reaction intermediates and mechanism. Structure, stability, generation of carbocations, carbanions, carbenes, nitrines, and free radicals. Thermodynamic versus kinetic control, Hammond's postulate, potential energy diagrams, isotope effects. Hammond equation, linear free energy relationships, LFER, sigma, rho relationship, Taft equation. Unit IV, substitution and elimination reactions. Aliphatic nucleophilic substitution, text S, text N, 1, text S, text N, 2, mixed text S, text N, 1, text S, text N, 2, set mechanism, text S, asterisk, text N, text I, allylic and vinylic substitutions, neighboring group participation, NGP, non-classical carbocations. Aliphatic electrophilic substitution, text S, text E, 1, text S, text E, 2, and text S, asterisk, text E, text I, mechanisms. Free radical reactions, mechanisms, allylic halogenation, NBS, Sandmeyer reaction, Hunsaker reaction. Elimination reactions, E1, E2, E1CB mechanisms, Sadzeff versus Hoffman rules, pyrolytic eliminations. CH412, Inorganic Chemistry I. Unit I, Symmetry and Group Theory in Chemistry. Symmetry elements and operations, definition of groups and subgroups, classes and conjugacy. Point groups, matrix representation of group operators, C underscore N, C underscore NV, C underscore NH, D underscore NH, etc. Great orthogonality theorem, construction of character tables. Unit 2, structure and bonding in main group compounds. VSEPR theory and Axe notation, Walsh diagrams, tri- and penta-atomic molecules, e.g., text Bay, underscore 2, text H2, text O, text SF4. D, pi P, pi bonding, Benz's rule, energetic of hybridization. Unit 3, metal-ligand equilibrium in solution. Stepwise and overall formation constants, beta underscore n, trends in stepwise constants. Factors affecting stability of metal complexes, Keelate effect and its thermodynamic origin. Determination of binary formation constants via Jobs method of continuous variation, spectrophotometric, and pH metric methods. Unit IV, reactivity of transition metal complexes. Inert and labile complexes, kinetic application of valence bond theory, VBT, and crystal field theory, CFT. Substitution reactions in octahedral complexes, acid hydrolysis, base hydrolysis, conjugate base mechanism, factors affecting rate. CH413, physical chemistry, I. Unit I, mathematics for chemists and classical thermodynamics. Vectors, matrices, differential equations, partial derivatives, probability concepts. Maxwell's thermodynamic relations, partial molar properties, chemical potential, partial molar volume, fugacity and activity determination. Unit 2, Quantum Chemistry, I. Postulates of quantum mechanics, operators, commutation relations, Hermitian operators. Schrödinger wave equation for particle in 1D and 3D boxes, quantum mechanical tunneling, harmonic oscillator. Unit 3, Quantum Chemistry, 2. Rigid rotor, hydrogen atom problem, radial and angular wave functions. Approximation methods, variation theorem, first order time independent perturbation theory. Unit IV, non-equilibrium thermodynamics. Thermodynamic criteria for non-equilibrium states, entropy production in irreversible processes, Onsager's reciprocal relations. CH414, spectroscopy, I. Microwave spectroscopy, classification of rotors, rigid rotor model, centrifugal distortion, isotopic substitution effect. Infrared IR spectroscopy, vibrational modes, Hooke's law, selection rules, group frequencies, Fermi resonance. Raman spectroscopy, classical and quantum theories of Raman effect, rotational and vibrational Raman spectra, mutual exclusion principle. Mossbauer and photoelectron spectroscopy, principles of Mossbauer spectroscopy, carat 57, text Fe, carat 119, text SN, XPS and UPS principles. CH416, organic chemistry practical. Qualitative analysis of binary organic mixtures, solids, liquids, using TLC, column chromatography. Preparations, anthranilic acid, methyl orange, P-bromoaniline, nitrocitronilide. Estimations, phenols, anilines, keto groups. Semester 2, CH421, Organic Chemistry 2. Aromatic substitution, electrophilic, arrhenium ion mechanism, orientation, reactivity, and nucleophilic, text S, text N, text R, benzyne mechanism, text S, text R, text N, 1. Addition reactions, additions to text C equals text C and text C equiv text C, hydroboration, epoxidation, additions to carbon hetero multiple bonds, sharpless asymmetric epoxidation, aldo condensation, Michael addition. Pericyclic reactions, frontier molecular orbital, FMO, and PMO approaches, electrocyclic reactions, cycloadditions, 2+2 and 4+2, Diels order reactions, sigmatropic rearrangements, Cope, Claisen. Photochemistry, Norrish type 1 and 2 reactions, Paterno-Bacchi reaction, photoreduction of ketones. CH422, Inorganic Chemistry 2. Organometallic chemistry, 18-electron rule, synthesis, bonding, and reactivity of metal carbonyls, nitrosyls, and metallocene, ferrocene. Catalysis by organometallics, hydrogenation, Wilkinson catalyst, hydroformylation, OXO process, Wacker process, Ziegler-Natta polymerization. Electronic spectra, spectroscopic term symbols, Orgel and Tanabe-Sugano diagrams, Laporte and spin selection rules, charge transfer spectra. magnetochemistry, diamagnetism, paramagnetism, Curie law, spin-orbit coupling, magnetic susceptibility determination, GOE method. CH423, physical chemistry 2. Chemical kinetics and dynamics, transition state theory, Arrhenius equation, RRKM theory, collision theory, reactions in solution, fast reaction kinetics, flash photolysis, stop flow methods. Electrochemistry, Debye-Huckel-Onsager theory, activity coefficients, electrified interfaces, Lippmann equation, Butler-Volmar equation, Tafel plot. Surface chemistry, Langmuir, Bethe-adsorption isotherms, heterogeneous catalysis mechanisms. Statistical thermodynamics, partition functions, translational, rotational, vibrational, electronic, Maxwell-Boltzmann, Bose-Einstein, and Fermi-Dirac statistics. CH424, spectroscopy 2. Caret 1, text H, and Caret 13, text C, NMR, chemical shifts, spin-spin splitting, J-coupling, depth, nuclei-over-Hauser effect, no, 2D NMR, COSY, HMBC. Mass spectrometry, ionization techniques, EI, CI, FAB, MALDI, EC, fragmentation patterns, McLafferty rearrangement, HRMS. Combined spectral problems, structural elucidation of organic molecules combining UV-Vis, IR, NMR, and mass data. CH426, Inorganic Chemistry Practical. Qualitative detection of rare, less common metal icons, text MO, text W, text V, text T, text ZR. Preparation and characterization of coordination complexes, e.g., Prussian blue, CIs, trans-isomers, hexamine cobalt complex. Volumetric and gravimetric estimations of binary metal mixtures, text CU, text Ni, text Fe, text CR. Semester 3. CH531, Organic Syntheses and Reagents. Retrosynthetic analysis, synthons, synthetic equivalence, disconnection approach, one group and two group, text C, text X, and text C, disconnections, empolling of reactivity. Reagents in organic synthesis, organolithium, organozinc, Gilman reagents, text DDQ, text DMP. Des-Martin period, text Osum, _4, text SEO, _2, crown ethers. Heterocyclic chemistry, synthesis and reactivity of indole, quinoline, isoquinoline, pyrazole, imidazole, oxazole. CH532, bioinorganic and supramolecular chemistry. Bioinorganic chemistry, role of trace elements, text Fe, text Cu, text zinc, text Co in biological systems, oxygen transport proteins, hemoglobin, myoglobin, hemocyanin. Electron transfer in enzymes, cytochromes, ferredoxins, nitrogenase, biological nitrogen fixation, photosynthesis, Z-scheme. Supramolecular chemistry, molecular recognition, host-guest interactions, ground ethers, cryptands, cyclodextrins, molecular wires, and self-assembly. CH533, CH534, elective courses. Elective options, analytical and environmental chemistry, physical chemistry 3, polymer chemistry, chemistry of life and surroundings. Key topics, environmental chemistry, water pollution parameters,